देश में पढ़े लिखे ग्रेजुएट्स में बेकारी की समस्या बहुत जटिल है क्योंकि उन्हें तकनीकी स्किल्स किसी भी स्तर पर नहीं सिखाई जाती है। सरकारी विभागों में ऐसे लोगों के लिए कोई भी नौकरी नहीं है। यहाँ कुछ एक नई तकनीकी स्किल्स डिस्कस की जा रही है जिन्हें सीखकर छात्र लोग प्रोफेशनल करियर की शुरुआत कर सकते हैं। प्रोफेशनल स्किल ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से हम बिजनेस ब्लास्टर्स तैयार करते हैं।
Curriculum followed for graduates training program is as under. Number 1. Digital land surveyor to make maps and engineering plans. Number 2. Tutors for school math lab and tinkering lab. Number 3. DO mechanics to assess river water quality. Number 4. Soft apps trainer for mathematical problem solving. Number 5. Assets valuation for sale purchase deeds. Number 6. Business entity performance assessment. Number 7. Stock market management skills. Number 8. Solar clock decision making in important life events. Number 9. Video making skills for products ad. The candidate has option to choose any trading module listed above for 5 days training schedule. Graduates internship training, Stephen terms. Unemployed graduates are recruited for paid internship training in following terms. The candidates are given posts designated as business management trainee. They have to report the head office daily for 1 hour. The management trainee can work from home at his convenient time and produce following output in every month. Motivate at least 5 graduates to join 5 days training program to acquire business skills organized at the head office to set his own enterprise. Motivate at least 20 school students to appear in Sharda Innovation Talent Contest arranged in the head office. Motivate at least 20 school students to appear in the contest. Distribute at least 1 franchise of School of Business Skills anywhere in the country. Internship training Stephen. Rupees 16,000 per month. After successful completion of internship training of 1 year, the candidate is awarded MBA Entrepreneur Diploma of GMAT Foundation Durg. Successful candidate has an option to join GMAT Foundation as training officer on monthly salary, Rupees 30,000, or he may set his own enterprise. Graduates are recruited for internship training at Approved Job Skills Training Center. Soon, its franchise center will open all over the country. Training period is 1 year. During training, monthly stipend is Rupees 15,000 consolidated. After successful training, MBA Entrepreneurship Diploma is given. Job security is also ensured. Interested graduates may apply on the pro forma given here and send it to the head office by email.
Dear viewers, we have presented awareness of various skills for graduates to acquire for getting jobs or become self-employed. The training particulars are outlined below. Graduates interested in teaching math from 6th class to 12th class are given 5 days training in our Durg office. At a time, batch of 10 tutors will be trained. In 5 days, the candidates will have 4 contact hours daily for the training. After the training, the tutor's proficiency certificate of GMAT Foundation is given. Teaching material in e-book form is given. The trained tutors will conduct MATLAB activities for school students class 6th to 12th. The training classes will be arranged on weekend only. The classes will be for 2 contact hours on each Saturday and Sunday. The course duration is 3 months. After training proficiency, certificate in MATLAB activities is given to each student. Thank you.